Today I'm going to give you my project report on IPL analysis, which I have done in Jupyter Python, and also created charts using Tableau and dashboards using Tableau and charts EDA analysis in Jupyter using Python. This is my project summary regarding my Python, and here is my GitHub link. This is the problem statement that I have wanted to discuss to show how many insights and what type of insights that I can show regarding the IPL data. Coming to the libraries, I have imported all the standard libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib and Seaborn, and I am ignoring warnings. I am loading two datasets that they have been provided, matches and deliveries. I am merging two uh, datasets based on common ID. This is the first. This is the outlook of the merged dataset. All the columns and rows. Given the shape, it has 1,50,000 records and 38 columns. Here is the information of all the column records. I am searching for any duplicate values that I have in the dataset. I have found one column. I am dropping all the duplicate values so that there is no redundancy in the output. As you can see, after dropping the duplicates, I have found that there are no duplicates in the updated list. I am searching for null values if there are any in the dataset. I have found few null values in the dataset. I am printing any blank values in the match umpire 1 to ignore to set it as unknown. I am visualizing all the null values that I have found. I have found mostly in umpire 3, player dismissed and player kind and fielder name. This is about my dataset that I have found, what I have found in my dataset in the macro level and also micro level data understandings. These are all my columns that I have in the dataset. This is about all the description of all the datasets, the count, uniqueness, the frequencies, mean, standard deviations and everything. This is the variable description that what each and every ID and column describes in the dataset, in the both datasets. This is for checking all the unique values that are present in the data merged data. Coming to the data wrangling, what I have did is that I am filling any blank values in umpire 1, umpire 2, umpire 3 column to unknown, so that I can exclude the null values. And also I have found that there are two similar values, but the for the rising Pune supergiant there are two different values, one having S and other with non-S. So what I have did is that I have replaced such values to rising Pune supergiant that contains an S. And coming to the blank values in team 1 home ground, what I have did is that I have gave a map key value pairs to all the data, and which one is the team 1 that I have filled with the its home ground. As you can see that I have filled the home ground city for the team 1 ground. As we can see in the for all the blanks in the winner column, I have filled it as a tie match, because for all the tie matches it will be a blank column because we don't have winner or we don't have a loser. And also for the player of the match column, I have did the same thing, that I have provided a tie match string. And Coming to the uniqueness of the match, we have duplicate. We will get duplicate records because of each and every ball. Because we want data for each and every match. What I did is that I have subsetted each and every for each and every match. After that we can see that there is only there are no null values except for player dismissed kind and fielder, because not every ball a player is dismissed, and not every ball we will have a dismissal kind like a catch or a run out. So these values are null values only for until unless there is a specific kind of dismissal type along with the fielder who has taken a catch or who has been involved in the run out or such kinds. After doing all these transformations, I am downloading the CSV file as merged CSV to perform a dashboard analysis in Tableau. This is the same what I have found. Coming to the data visualization, I have given a lot of charts. The first chart is the teams that won both toss and also match. The second chart is the teams that won toss but lost the match. The third chart is total catches by each team, and next total wickets bowled by each teams. As you can see, I have given all the specifications for each and every chart, and also two insights for each and every chart, and what kind of business impact that each and every team will give for its franchise. Coming to the next chart, it is the total runs scored by each team, top 10 run scorers, top 10 bowlers who gave most extras, not in the total overs, who gave more extra runs for the opposite team. These are the top 10 bowlers by dismissals. We can see that Malinga has most wickets. These are the top 10 man of the match awards. We can see Chris Gale with leading man of the match awards. And next chart is the top 10 bowlers with the most wide runs. He is the most non-efficient player. We can see P. Kumar along with also SL Malinga with similar values. Chart 11 is the result type. As you can see, most of the matches are given as a normal result, either winning or losing. Very few matches have tie and no results. These are the matches that are affected by the Duckworth-Lewis methods. This is the chart that gives information about matches won by runs per team, and next chart I have found for the wickets for the same. And these are the players who have most maiden overs for each overall. And next chart is the batsmen who were dismissed mostly by catches. As we can see, Raina has been most dismissed by catches. And this is a chart where players are injured because of retired hurt. Harbhajan Singh and S.R. Tendulkar. These are the runs scored in each season. As you can see, 2013 has most runs scored, 22,602, followed by 2012 with 22,453. And the next chart gives total dismissals per each season. Similarly, like the total runs, total 2013 and 2012 also has leading dismissals per season. And these are the top 10 umpires that officiated matches. Most of the matches were officiated by Dharmasena and S. Ravi. These are the total runs only for the first innings. Similarly, for the total runs, 2013 and 12 has most runs. Also for the second innings as well. But unlike the first innings, second innings leading is 2012 and followed by 2013. and the normal result matches per the season. Mostly 2013 and 12 matches are leading with normal results, where few other seasons have tie or no results given. The player with the highest individual score, as we all know, Chris Gale with his knocking at 175 runs will stand the most in match number 411. And the last start is the top bowling performances with the most wickets in each match. Adam Zampa, Sohail Tavir leads with 6 wicket hauls in each innings. Also, I have given solution to the business objective and concluding my project. Similarly, I have all the charts that I have driven also in the Tableau as well. The same, I have got the same results. I have this is the most interesting running total for each match. We can find for each and every match and each and every innings. Only first innings, only second innings if you want to, for each and every match. Similarly, every other chart has its own values. Coming to the result, this is my IPL analysis report. That what I have provided the similar analysis and insights with all the charts, all the dashboards and all the charts that I have provided. Each and every insight that I have found, I have been documented. These are all the charts, and now these are all the dashboards that I have in the Tableau, along with all the insights for each and every chart. Each and every chart there is insight. As you can see, all the charts, and this is the future work that I want to provide. If I want to extend this project, this is the future work that I want to do. Instead of having only top runs and wickets, we can also incorporate averages, also strike rates. If the data is provided, we can find the top 10 strike rates for each batsman, and also strike rate for each match, each batsman in the each match. We can find also that, and also we can compare two players head to head in each season or each match. Similarly, like that, we can find multiple for the future work. This is all the future work that I have planned. Thank you.